Nah, like, I never did I expect that news. Yeah. So the female Miss Robinson, Ashley Robinson, who was the main chick in Alkaline's Mad Love video, was found dead on her birthday. I said to myself, you see that youth named Alkaline? He's a very smart and calculated youth.
On the board. Shauna said, don't fuck up.
I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
I don't know one Media Fox when happen. Yeah man, you know things said so. You don't know Katie, yeah man, she found out and I said something about Alkaline and things so. We just want to tune in. You see me? Big up Katie. You see it?
Hey. Don't mind me at time, I just wake up for that work, but nah, like, I never did I expect that news. Yeah. So the female Miss Robinson, Ashley Robinson, who was the main chick in Alkaline's Mad Love video, was found dead on her birthday, April 5th. R.I.P. baby girl. I didn't even know that she was a model. Like, honestly, beautiful.
Yeah man, you see me? As I say, big up Katie official. You see me? You can find her over TikTok or YouTube. You see it? Yeah man, Katie official. You see, but Jano, a girl in a mad love with Alkaline. I think them she go up on a trip and them find her pass away in some room or something. And Jano, she and her fiance and you know, Jano, rough people, rough. You see it? And you know, you just never know one day when it's your time. You see it? And yeah man, it's a sad news, you know, condolence to the family, you know. Yeah, but one of them thing the people, it's sad. You see it? Yeah, but that's how it go. You see me?
Black girl, like, she was found dead with her fiance in Africa on her birthday. On her birthday weekend, celebrating her birthday, she would have been 21 August 5th. And she was found dead in her hotel room, well, unconscious, and upon reaching to the hospital, they had confirmed her death. So, R.I.P. baby girl. Honestly, Mad Love, Alkaline Mad Love is one of my favorite girl songs, and the video and the visuals was perfectly executed. And baby girl, trust me. R.I.P. to the Robinson family, and I wish them a speedy recovery. And just condolences and prayers goes out to them, guys. Mighty God. I said to myself, you see that youth named Alkaline? He's a very smart and calculated youth. Just met to me, I said. And for the dark and illiterate people, them just relax. Listen. Can I get to understand, say, most of the people, them, when they like Alkaline and we come out and talk about the foolishness, them did in a special ed class when they go to school.
Okay, you know, if you did them so, you know. But I saw it go still. Alkaline smart, you know. And that's why you saw the youth move. Him know where I do. You understand? Him know forget people talking and a bag of things. You see me? So the youth always, I think, 10 steps ahead of them. You see me? When them there weird down there, so Alkaline up in the hills, I watch them. You see me? Don't plan them for plan out already. You see it? Yeah, man.
The facts, honestly, like, I don't think I can use nothing else for describe it, because sometimes when I talk, I just talk because God good amount for talk. However, look at me, tea nice.
Yeah, look at Binti nice. Jaja, I saw you go here. If you just live life here, man, because you don't know when your day is coming. You see me? Yeah, you just sip some tea and thing and go on all the vibes. And that's reason. You see me? And just make people listen. You see me? Yeah, man, we have to big up everybody, man. Yeah, man, big up everybody. You see it? Big up the fans. You see it? Yeah, man, that's one of them things. The life of enjoy. You see me? Don't waste it.
Looking back on this brother character, he's a very introverted person, and that is not by choice, right? That was how the Jamaican people made him out to be, and him just say, alright, that when I say that, may I work with. Look how Alkaline I socialize now. And some people come out to talk about, oh, make him have to come out of hiding. Oh, make him have to do this. All of a sudden, he do.
I saw it going on. You see, when Alkaline don't do something, them complain. When him do it, them complain. It'll be same like the Hurricane Melissa thing. Everybody, the whole of the artists, them outside, I give back to the people about everything. True, them not say Alkaline now. Them a call him out. You keep big show and you don't give back people them nothing. Then when him team found out now and start issue out things and give back to people, them silent. I saw it go. Them say, Alkaline take picture with fans. Alkaline mingle with people. When him start do it now, hear them. Yo, how am I forward out? How am I do now? Him outside. Ray, this, that, Ray. I saw Alkaline show me society. You can't please nobody. Them just want to have something to say bad about you. You understand? When you do good, them not highlight it. But when it seems like make it look bad by you, them a forward out and I bring you down. You see me? I saw some people play stay. Society just always around with some negative point of things. You see it?
Everything that Alkaline does is calculated. And I am a person, me not really run with the massive. If you're an introverted person by heart and by nature, you can't be an extroverted person.
And the Alkaline would say, yo, which vert that? You see me? I don't know which vert. Boy, Alkaline easy. You man say, yo, which vert? Yo, I know vert. Yo, man, I tell it to right, boy, Alkaline, yeah, man, full of craft, you know. True. You understand? But make them know what I go and KD.
Uno try. Let me tell you, uno try love and appreciate that little socialization here with Alkaline are going. Because you see when Alkaline battery run out, him gone back, locked down, not to be seen or heard from until he's putting out music, because he relates his heart in music. Him not do the controversy, him not for the pan the Instagram and him not for the pan the Twitter and the things them.
And that's the truth. That's the truth. Because the youth, why I don't say Alkaline right now, you know? It's because him a put in some work and him dep on the ground. And him say, yo, you know, a years me no give the ground some highlight and something. You understand? So look at now, me I go there, yeah, shoot some video in my place with my dogs and everything. You understand? Yeah, one is a forward back. I saw it go. You see me? But once Alkaline gone back in that shell there, you know, we know that go. I saw the girl just, as the man say, him just come do him job and get the hell out of there. You understand? Yeah, man.
Him put out what him have to say in him art, which is music, and that's how it's supposed to go. You know, have to there every party for people see you. Make your work speak for itself, and that's why Alkaline is Alkaline. Chat. Let me ask him, I don't want it flower on my head. I don't want it flower on my head, and I listen what me I say. This is a very rare moment, and it speaks to the massive nature that is about to come. And as him say, everything take a little time, and the fool is always the last to know. It remind me of the song Formula when him say, them they one way we'll come back with the formula. Have everybody reach
Speeches like Michael Jackson's song, you know. We could have, you know. More blood in my eye, vengeance in my heart, you know. Formula. The youth know what him do. You see me? Yeah, man, the youth know what him do, man. Him have the formula, man. You see it? You see you drop album, man. Everybody a talk about all who are hate and this, them still a talk about it, cause enough drop, and them don't even pick it up. Them don't even see it. You understand? So, the youth are dominate dancehall right now. You see me? If you don't want to get in on the feelings and say, yo, like me, I tell, well, the proof is right there. You understand? Yeah, anyway you take it. You see me? And that's one of them things there. The youth name always a go call. Always a go call. Even the situation of going at the party the other day, you have some people that say, yo, that man a link with this a producer, and you see me? Name a go call, no don't know them love call Alkaline name, you see? But at the end of the day, the youth use music for conquer them. Yeah, man, music for conquer them. You never use him mouth for come out on the media and all of them look at things. You see me? The youth not really do the media thing. Because a lot of artists don't understand. So look here, as an artist, you have value, you know. So the moment you start, there are 7 parties for the week, and nobody not going to book you, brother. Your value go drop. You ask them for one, say, yo, At 100k US. Man say, brother, see every night a party what you talk about. Them want to see a performance go run your song you perform. You understand? So one of them thing the people.
Remember the lyrics, but if you understand, you understand. Alkaline is from a different era, and him is a youth with every move we make calculated. I not just appreciate the little moment I wanna get because it's rare. It come like when America always talk about them see a Bigfoot sighting, you know? Very rare headline everywhere. If you post something, everybody take it and run with it. That's how rare it is. So I make a think every time when Alkaline a picture come out with him, every social media have it outlet have it and post it.
Yeah man, and a superstar level man. A superstar, you know? That's how superstar move. When you get a picture, it will go viral because superstar, you don't see them every day. You have lucky if you see them. They don't really show up themselves in social media. You see, it's like every time them see superstar, they must say, yo, I really him this. Remember when the video them a drop, people must say, yo, the Alka, AI this hour. Them couldn't believe that superstar. You understand? And you have a celebrity them way. You know, them show everywhere them do and where them they are whatsoever. You see me? Yeah. Them depend Instagram, them on TikTok, Facebook, everything them depend. Showcase in life. You see me 24/7. Everybody I see them and all of these things. Yeah man.
That's what he uses. That's the tactic that he uses to capture the massive. And all I know, we the Vendetta fans and undercover fans, I'm not undercover, I stay and in the bush them and watching, but I just don't like him for what I don't know. I just can't admit saying great.
Sometimes I give me them rate him, you know, undercover fan, you know, but let me tell you one now. You see, because Alkaline in a them circle, you see me, because if him that sit down and chat with them, he would be them favorite. You see me, I saw them operate, who them can get access to, and that them I work with. You understand? So them can say what them want to say. You see it?
I wouldn't say, yeah man, a bad artist, but there's always a conjunction. I just can't admit it because I don't feel like say if you don't say it, it's going to become true. But him no need to say it. It's obvious. It is obvious. He is the big man in dancehall. And I just the truth. Whether you want to admit it to yourself or not, I just the truth. Denial is a river in Egypt. And the more you deny it, and the more it become evident. I just the truth. Anyways, just glad for that little socializing here, when it up, when Alkaline socialization battery run out and him gone, I want part.
Yeah man, the dog, go back at space man. Space like dog, I left go. You see it? Maybe not see him for the next 5-10 years. You see it? We'll do something like this again.
Yeah, nah, don't worry, forget my friend. And chat, I'm not a biblical person. I'm used to going to church with my grandmother, you see? And even the Bible says, for everything there's a season. Nothing lasts forever. Only salvation. Alkaline, pick up yourself. You know? The people matter about, oh, him not deal with him fans and nobody knows him, and him this, and him that, and him if interact more with people. No, the same set of people them. I say, yo, all of a sudden, him a come out, who take him out of hiding, what is, a promotion him a look, the same out, him say, yeah, turn on and say, nee. Look, my artist a prophet. My artist a prophet, nobody can tell me nothing. My artist literally that living in the future while they are shut.
Yeah man people. Yeah man. Preach it to them. KD, you see me? Big up yourself. You don't know. But as all of them thing the people. But me see all next thing people. You see me? I have to go see what I go on. You see it? Alkaline. Gyal good song. It a mash up your place. Money pull up everything. You understand? On office see what I go on. I tell you say yo the good girl them come out and them a dash them US dollar, you know. But pre what I go on people. Yo, you see that song here? That song here I gonna take over a whole year. Me I tell her that. This is one of the this are a good while now the girl not get an anthem. Yeah man, a good while. That one yeah, girl good. When girl good. You see me? It not gonna normal. That's some of the good girl them out. You see me? One thing I want to understand. When girl good, they put it up there to find out. When girl good. Yes. Nice. You see me?
Good girl, good girl, good. Good girl.
Yes. Well, nice. Come on, cut for everything, mix it, nice. If you kill something, bad pussy in the minute. Yo, song tough. Tough people. Go on the road. Look at ice. If you kill something, fat pussy. Yo, it's tough. Yo, boy, Alka. You go easy, the dog. I tell you, go easy, you know. But, and a lot of more songs upon the album will shot people. Graduate and them songs. Like, I look out for the Alkaline video for graduating the people. Yeah, man, you have to look out for that video like that. Nah, man. I tell you that.
Boss make the step there, you know. So the boss make the step there, you know. Money on the board, you know. Money on the board, you know. Money on the board, you know. So the boss make the step, money on the board, you know. Clear, play something for the girl then. Money on the board, see me, you know. Play something for the girl again.
Yeah, man, people. One of them things they good girl mash up the place, man. You see it? That mash up the place. Me see your brother forward out. Where there? You see it away where I must say. You see me?
Dancehall's crazy. Man don't want to believe me. But I'm telling you, dancehall's crazy, bro. One of my favorite tunes right now is Gyal Good. You know, Alkaline. One thing I want you to understand. One Gyal Good. But the intro's mental, bro. Man starting the track talking about his favorite food like 5 times in a row. I'm saying, whoa, calm, maintain down. Hey, I don't know when I can play that, bro. I can't play that around the man. There.
So that brother look like him living at the UK. But me say, he sang a tear up in the UK right now. Fans him want back a next new rules over there right now, you know. I tell the people so. Nah, go normal for your next new rules, you see it. Cause girl them want sing out the girl good at one bag of thing.
Want to look like a real on ball. Can't play that around a gal because they're gonna think what kind of timing is my man on, bro. Calm down. Can't play that around Mumsy. They're gonna ring my ear and tell me what my mouth out with soap and it's not even me saying those lyrics. No, you man, I'm even mental, bro. Just ease into the track, bro. Man did it. Man done a full sprint through the rhythm. Hey, I said, whoa, Alkaline, calm down, broski.
Yeah, man. One of them things the people. One easy up. You see me, we hear that brother say.
Alkaline, you know. Yo, can't tell her easy, you know. Can't tell see Alkaline at Jamaica shoot video in a place and say, no, sir. Me I got my place got shoot video too. You don't think a coincidence this? No, sir, me don't think so. Can't tell her pay attention to Alkaline. You know say, you know, I make this a youth a run on, you know. I'm in the road now. You're mad. You stay there.
Yeah, man. Them man do not like when the attention come off far off of them, you know. Yeah, man, once Alkaline I get the gym, I have to do him, but you know, if I out and I put in him work and, you see me? Yeah, him a damn thing. Cause when him father road from prison, he never go pour more. But, I don't know what I go on. I guess, I say, yo, a bag of thing and, you know? So, if father ground and do him, I have to do and go club maker 2 night and go on easy and thing. You see me, son birthday and all of them little things, so. One of them things they are people, if I do him thing, Alka do him thing. You see it? Yeah. I just work for Putin. You see me?
Yo. Sure you still Alkaline still a key man in a dancehall. No matter what nobody say. No matter what they want to say and try to go around. You see me? The whole of them pay attention to him. As soon as him do something, he will try to make it look like them now watch him do it. But when God tell you for before and he say, Alka down there and say, drop top. Just have a plane. Jamaica we say. Especially up on the Gaza we go. But we not growing for years, but we are growing. Everybody are excited to say. Key man in a dancehall, man. I like it. But what do you think? You don't think it's a coincidence this? Me don't think so. No, we can't tell. They'll say, nah, I can't have all the attention. Man.
Well, I say, go in, I have to do what him can do, you know. You see it? I have to do what him can do. You see, at the end of the day, Alka just do a thing normal and put in the work. You see it? Yeah, man, I just one of them things about people. You don't know one media facts on your up, you know. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Respect for the support. You see it? Yeah, man. That is it.